This video is for educational purposes only. If you are not 18 or older, please go somewhere else. Thank you. Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. This is going to be an unboxing video. I got a few things to start my grow. I got a 2x2 grow tent and a good light. Now, I had my eye on this light for a while. I got all this off of Amazon. This light I've been keeping an eye on for a hot minute, and the fact that it really came, I'm super excited about it. It came with hooks and ratchets, so that's the best part. Back in my time a few years ago, these were separate, but now you get everything, and that is great. So this is supposed to be full spectrum. It has dimming features as well. I think this is a great size for my 2x2 grow tent, and I know for a fact that a lot of people use this, and it is good for growing indoors. So when I use this, I am very confident with this company, and I'm not really afraid because they are really good. This grow tent was from Amazon as well. It's not any of the name brand stuff. I paid about $60 for it, and I paid about $40 for my lights. So when I say that this is a budget grow, this is definitely a budget grow for me. I don't go high end all the time. This is my second Amazon tent. My first one I actually got off of Marketplace, but this one I definitely got off of Facebook. I will leave the links in my description in case you want to check them out for yourself. If you're just starting out and want to grow, I would definitely give the greatest advice of being is start small. Start small to see if this is something you really want to get into, because this is a lot of work. I did like this grow tent because those little things you see, they snap in place, not like the other ones that have the metal ball that pops into place. The Mylar on this tent was amazing and very well built. It's better than the one I actually had the first time around because it has no light leaks at all, like not a single light leak. And that's what I like the most about this grow tent. Yes, it's a 2x2 small tent. No, it's not the name brand one, but it gets the job done. So if you want to start growing, I definitely will tell you to check out these two items on Amazon because these are best sellers, and this is something that I actually looked at. And you can start off small, and I also got this other stuff. The bags, the grow bags are VivoSun. To me, they're no different than the regular ones. You could get them cheap. I got them on sale, which is why I actually got them. And this soil is actually another change that I made. I used to use Fox Farm because that's what everyone was saying. But I recently discovered Purple Cow, and I wanted to try out their water only feature where you only need water to grow, which we all in the growing community know that's got to be impossible because we use so much nutrients and things to make sure we get the biggest buds we can when growing. So I'm going to test that theory. So I'm going to do two grows. I'm going to do one with nutrients and one with straight water and see how it comes out. It might come out better than expected. I might end up burning using nutrients because this is supposed to be all natural, clean and pure, water only. So I'm going to test that out because I really want to see if it's true to its word where you could just add water. If that's the case, it's definitely a deep game changer when it comes to the growing community. Other than this company, I know there's a lot of other soil companies, but where I'm at, they don't have a lot of stores like they do in California to actually check around. So I do have.
All right, y'all. That's all for
this is me checking
updates.
out.
Make sure you subscribe and follow me.
They're
on
no
Instagram
different than any other ones.
at the Grow Bro
but
and on TikTok. So let's grow,
they're
y'all.
VivoSun. So what do you expect? Let's be honest here. So this is how it looks set up with the lights. I have to get an exhaust fan, some fans as well. But my setup is pretty decent for a start. I'm definitely going to get a fan though. A fan and my exhaust. And I'll be set for life. So stay tuned, subscribe, and like. Make sure you come.